Welcome back. Today, we're diving deep into the magical world of pipelines and the simple but powerful pipe symbol. In this episode, you will unlock yet another superpower hidden right inside your terminal to take your skills to the next level. You're usually running one command, waiting for it to finish, and then running the next. With pipelines, you can link commands together to build powerful, automated workflows. A pipeline in the command line is just like a physical pipeline. It takes the output from one program and pipes it directly into the input of another. Instead of a temporary file, the data flows seamlessly in memory. This is what the pipe operator does. It is the most efficient way to handle data between commands. It is a game changer because you can string together multiple small specialized tools to accomplish complex tasks. Let's start with a simple example. We have the lsl command, which lists files and directories in a detailed format. But what if the list is super long? You're just scrolling and scrolling. Does a great job for the ls command, which lets you view output one page at a time. This simple command tells the shell, take the output of lsl and give it the ls as input. This is the fundamental concept of piping. But what if we want to filter the output before we send it to ls? That's where we bring in our next powerful tool, grep. Now let's say you only want to see the directories in our list. We can use the grep command to search for the specific text patterns. Since directories in lsl output are marked with the D at the beginning of the permissions string, we can search for that. We've just built a two-part pipeline. We are listing the files, then filtering the list to only show the lines that start with D. See how we're chaining these simple commands together to create a more powerful result? This is just the beginning. What if we want to count the number of directories we just found? We can add another pipe and another command to our pipeline. The WC command stands for word count, but with the L flag, it counts the number of lines. It is the perfect tool to add to the end of our pipeline to get the final count. Look at that. We have a 3-command pipeline that does something quite useful. It counts the number of directories in the current folder. From here, the possibilities are endless. You can use the same pattern with hundreds of other commands: awk, set, sort, unique, and so many more. Let's apply this new knowledge to a practical example. Let's say you are a developer trying to find all the JS files in a project that contain the word fetch. This is a classic example of a task that's perfect for a pipeline. Let's break this down. This finds all the files ending with .js starting from the current directory. The pipe sends this list of file names to the xars command, which takes the file's name and passes them as arguments to grep, which then searches for the word fetch inside each of those files. This is the power of pipelines in action. It's not about memorizing complex commands, it's about understanding how to link simple ones together. So, there you have it. The humble pipe symbol is your key to becoming a command line maestro. Now that you know the basics, I want you to try building a pipeline of your own. Share your creative pipeline commands in the comments below. And if you want to level up your dev skills even more, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss our next video, where we'll explore even more powerful terminal tools.